Hi everyone, this is Mike here at MacObserver, and today we'll try to figure out MacBook Pro freezing. Dealing with a frozen MacBook Pro can be one of the most frustrating experiences. The inability to use your mouse, keyboard, or any applications, coupled with the presence of a spinning pinwheel, an empty screen, or an immovable app window, intensifies the annoyance. The potential loss of unsaved work or data further complicates matters. So, what steps can be taken to unfreeze your MacBook Pro and avert future occurrences? Follow along to find them out. First thing to do, restart your MacBook Pro. Keep in mind that restarting your MacBook Pro could lead to the loss of any unsaved work or data in apps that were active during the freeze. If you can, try to save your work beforehand, or try another solution instead. To do this, press and hold the power button of your MacBook Pro until it powers off. Then pause for a few moments, then press the power button once more to switch it on. Pause for a few moments, then press the power button once more to switch it on. For newer MacBook Pro models featuring a Touch Bar and Touch ID, use the Touch ID button in place of the power button for the aforementioned steps. Second thing you can do is cleaning your storage. If your hard drive is close to its capacity, your MacBook Pro might lack the space needed for smooth, efficient operation. To determine the remaining storage space on your MacBook Pro, refer to our comprehensive guide. For optimal performance, it is recommended to maintain at least 10% of your hard drive as free space. If your available space is below this threshold, consider clearing space by deleting unneeded files, emptying the trash, uninstalling unused apps, or transferring files to an external drive or cloud storage. Moving on, you should scan for malware. Malware may lead to a range of issues on your MacBook Pro, including slowing it down, freezing it, displaying pop-ups or ads, redirecting your browser, stealing your information, or encrypting your files. To address this, scan your MacBook Pro for malware and eliminate any detected infections by using a trusted antivirus. How do I unfreeze my MacBook Pro without losing work? Sometimes, a frozen MacBook Pro is caused by an app that is not responding or using too much CPU or memory. If you can still move your cursor, you can try to force quit the problematic app and see if that resolves the issue. Here's how to do it. Give your MacBook Pro a few minutes to process tasks and potentially unfreeze itself. Press Command plus Option plus SC to open the Force Quit Applications window. Select the app that is unresponsive or has not responding next to its name, then click Force Quit. Repeat this for any other apps that are unresponsive or using too much CPU or memory. What to do when your Mac freezes while restarting. If your MacBook Pro freezes during a restart, do the following. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds to force your MacBook Pro to shut down, then turn it back on. Afterward, go to Apple Menu System Settings. Go to General Software Update. Wait until your MacBook looks for new updates, then click Download and Install to update your Mac OS. How do I unfreeze my Mac during an update? When your MacBook Pro becomes frozen during an update, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. Give your MacBook Pro some time to process the update, as it might be temporarily unresponsive due to high resource usage. If waiting does not resolve the issue, press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds until your MacBook Pro shuts down. Then, turn it back on to see if the update resumes or completes. If the problem persists, shut down and restart your MacBook Pro while holding Option plus Command plus P plus R together. Keep holding the keys pressed until you hear the startup sound twice or see the Apple logo twice. Release the keys and let your MacBook Pro boot. In cases where your MacBook Pro persistently freezes, the problem may lie in either the PRAM or NVRAM. These memory types store specific settings on your MacBook Pro, including sound volume, display resolution, startup disk selection, and others. Resetting PRAM or NVRAM might resolve these issues. Well, that's all for today, guys. I really hope this video helped you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This is Mike here at MacObserver. See you next time!